Hello everyone, this is Shweta Patil from Department of ENTC, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we will see the study of Network Protocol Analyzer tool or the software. The tool which we are going to see here is Wireshark. In this video, we will be getting started with Wireshark. Wireshark is a network packet analyzer. It is free and open source packet analyzer. It is used for network troubleshooting, analyzing, and communication development and for educational purpose. Now some examples where Wireshark is used are: it is used by network administrators to troubleshoot the network problems. It is also used by network security engineers to examine security problems. And it is used by developers to debug protocol implementations. Now, here we can click on the Start Live capture button on the GUI that is going to capture the packets in real time. First, we will select here the interface. Here it is showing all of the interface. We will select the Wi-Fi interface here, and the packet sniffing has started here. We can click on the Stop Capture button near the top left corner of the window to stop capturing the traffic. For saving the packets, we need to use the Save As option from the File menu. Here we will select the Save As and we can give the name to the file. I will give the name as new and save it on my desktop. The extension which is used here is PCA PNG, and then we will save it. By going to View and then Coloring Rules, we can see that Wireshark is using colors to help identify the type of traffic at a glance. By default, here the red color is TCP/RST, SCTP abort, and TTL low or unexpected. The light blue color is used for TCP and UDP. So these are the coloring rules which are given by default. To filter the packet, the most basic way to apply the filter is by typing it into the filter box at the top of the window and clicking Apply. So here I will type TCP and then press Enter. Here you can see that a filter has been applied and all the files for TCP related are appearing in this menu. To create a new filter, we need to click on Analyze menu and then select the Display filter. To analyze the packet, one needs to again go to Analyze, and we can here go to Follow and then go to TCP streams. The full conversation between the client and the server can be seen here. For inspecting the packets, we can click on the packet and then click on Options in the middle window. So here it gives the details of that packet. It gives the frame size, then the Ethernet to internal protocol version 4 and the transmission control protocol details. This first line shows the summary of the frame and the other line shows the data link layer, the network layer, the transport layer, and finally the actual data content within the frame. So Wireshark will highlight the bytes in hexadecimal in the bottom panel, as we can see it here. To get some graphs, we can click on Statics option in the menu, then click on Input-Output Graph to view the statistical information about the protocol in the selected network. The input-output graph here, it is often used to get the client-server network impact data in bits per second with user-defined time interval resolutions. This is a simple method of seeing how much traffic follows in each direction during a client-server session and especially how much peak traffic is generated. So this was how we can analyze a packet using the Network Protocol Analyzer, and this tool is Wireshark. Thank you.